Hello everyone, my name is Megan Rebello and I will be talking about the sustainable benefits of sea sponge aquaculture. Sponges are important in many ways that the general public might not be fully aware of. One way sponges benefit humans is through their medicinal purposes. Certain sponge species contain molecules that may be linked to curing certain cancers such as pancreatic and ovarian cancer. In lab tests, molecules from some sponges have been observed to target and kill pancreatic and ovarian cancer cells. Since sponges are not motile, they create many chemicals within their body cavity to ward off predators. There have been over 12,000 chemical compounds not found in any other living thing that people don't typically pay attention to, but could be a cure for many human diseases, making sponges that much more important to sustainably harvest and protect them. There are many benefits to using organic sponges, including being hypoallergenic and toxin-free, being a natural exfoliator, safe for washing infants, and highly durable in quality over synthetic sponges by being resistant to abrasion and inhibiting bacterial growth. They are also considered renewable natural resources by their ability to regenerate after being fragmented. Sponge farms have become a safe and sustainable alternative to fishing and reduces the impact to natural resources. Harvesting and farming of sea sponges help provide jobs for many families, specifically women in developing countries. Sponge farms require low maintenance financially and provide little technology efforts. Running the farm is quite manageable. Sponge farm workers help to maintain the structure of the farm, hanging juvenile sponges, cleaning sponges from pests and vegetation, trimming sponges and keeping them maintained, harvesting and selling of healthy grown sponges. Sponge farming does not use antibiotics or feeding and prevents and reduces damage to the surrounding environments. Sponges are filter feeders, so they are able to feed by filtering water through their porous skeleton made of spongin. By cutting up small sponge fragments from larger sponges, more sponges are able to be made, and they are usually harvested after 2 years to be sold for cosmetic and other purposes. Once sponge fragments reach considerable size, they are harvested, where divers remove whatever is growing on the sponges, including small organisms and seaweeds underwater, and then they are brought back to the surface to air dry. After they are dry, they are ready to be sold. Sponges are an important source to humans, with many benefits associated with sponge species. While they provide a safe way for us to bathe and exfoliate, their chemical properties could lead to cancer cures in the near future. The sustainable aquaculture and harvest of these sponges allow sponge farms to function with low maintenance while limiting disturbance to the nearby environment. While fishing and harvesting practices may seem unsustainable, sea sponge fishing is very beneficial to humans and the environment. And these are my references. Thank you for listening.